Welcome back. This is Fast Money. Check out shares of ViacomCBS, guys, rallying more than 3% today on the back of a big upgrade. Wells Fargo is raising its rating to overweight from equal weight prior, saying the company is poised to benefit from industry consolidation. Wells also bullish on the upcoming programming slate for Viacom's Paramount Plus streaming service. Karen, is this very much now, like Disney was a year or two ago, a streaming story?
I think it is a streaming story, but also, as you mentioned, I think it's a potential consolidation story. And I think Dan and I pitched this together in a very rare dual fast pitch. Probably the stock was right around here. So I like it. I thought the piece was interesting. They talked about how you could maybe use a Hulu-esque kind of multiple and get a big number like 60. So they talked about, you know, this used to be a show me story. Well, they've shown me, this was the analyst speaking, they've shown me with the subscription growth, and they're forecasting 70 million paid subscribers and another 76 million advertising-based subscribers by the end of next year. So that would be very good growth if that happens. And I kind of think there is something to the consolidation story, right? We saw Amazon with MGM. We saw Discovery and Time Warner. We know that there was some sort of talks occasionally going on. And we saw that Comcast-Viacom deal for streaming in the UK, I believe it was. But I like it. I think the stock's not expensive. I believe the consolidation story is happening, and I think they would be a target.
Yeah, Karen, SkyShowtime. That's the new joint venture with, our parent company, Comcast, and then, of course, what's happening with ViacomCBS. Tim Seymour, I'll turn to you here for another take on this. Back in the heyday earlier this year, this was a $100 stock. You're looking at the quote right now. It's just about $40-some-odd a share. Does it ever get back to where it was? We know that there were a lot of technical reasons why that stock was a $100 stock back earlier this year. Archegos, everything else around it. But $40.47, it was 100 at one point. Was it ever justified at 100?
No, that was a gift. And I think it was. It was a meme stock. It was an Archegos stock. And there were factors that I don't think you're going to see fundamentals equate to. But Karen laid out really good thoughts on that their streaming business. And look, let's be clear. The Paramount Plus story has been impressive. I love the fact that this JV with Comcast, our parent company, is something that gets them into a bundling dynamic, partnering up with other great content around the world. And this is a story that I think a lot of the other streaming players will continue to do. I think you will see. The great irony is, as the cable and linear TV world sort of blows up, you're seeing some of the same folks bundle together, this time in control of their own pipes and their own streaming DTC. I like that story, but I don't think it changes ViacomCBS overnight. And in fact, I think there's upside here. I think the stock's been dead money. It's not going anywhere near 100 anytime soon. I'll probably eat those words, but that's what I think.
Just wait, guys, because at some point...
Can I just add one thing?
Yes,
Can I
please,
just
Karen.
add one
Yes,
thing to
Karen.
that question?
Yes, Karen.
Viacom doesn't think it's worth 100. Viacom was delighted to sell stock at 85. They did a masterful job. Just to your question. So
I would also say, guys, that it's probably not far off where some company's going to develop a bundle for all of these streaming services by the time it's all said and done.